So, yung ating WPLS from, I think, right? So, kung nakabili ka ng 50K on this one, you are down more or less ilan kaya? So, let us check this one, right? Right? So, kung tanaw, so it's down how many? Yeah, from kailan to? From June 3, right? Up to this June 11. Or should I see June 9, it is down 29% and just up 4%, right? So imagine that one, you're down more or less 30%. So this is again the all-time low, right? 2 days ago of June 9, right? Not January. I think June 9, right? So, dapat maintindihan to, right? So, we are up at the moment dito. Now, okay ba yung ating audio? Is audio all good? Okay, sige. Check muna natin yung ating audio. Parang, okay ba nga ang audiohan sa background? Sige. So ito po guys yung ating chart as of the moment. So tanong natin, bakit kaya mababa ito? Right? Tanong natin. So sasagutin natin 'yan mamaya guys, yung ating tanong, bakit mababa yung ating chart as of the moment, right? So balik muna natin 'to. Dili kadyo kusog ang background. Okay, so sa hex din, ganon din, right? Especially hex by the way, right? So look at this one. So, sabi ko sa aking My Day kanina, there is a hex dump, right? So, kung titingnan natin to, so there's a hex dump, right? This is for believers only, right? And meron dun sa Amerika na mga nag-invest daw in crypto or should I say in hex na magpa-file daw sila ng lawsuit kay Richard Hart again,